And speaking of trying to cool off, Marcus Allen says a new star-studded religious satire is what to watch.
You there? Yeah, with the big old microphone. Come in closer, son. You gonna see what all the fuss is about. Showtime.
What's up? Fresh is our turn, baby.
Launched at the Sundance Film Festival, written and directed by Adama Ebo and produced by her sister Adane.
My brothers and I, we couldn't make a Saturday morning bowl of cereal without fighting. How do you make a movie together?
Honestly,
we like each other.
Yeah, our working relationship is not very different from our personal relationship.
Yeah.
So it just works. It doesn't honestly feel like working with another person.
Sterling K. Brown and Regina Hall play a minister and wife fallen from grace in this mockumentary all about the church.
You know, it puts it up on high satire, but at the same time pays respect and
Yes.
homage.
I love that you said that.
Me
That
too.
is very true.
Not
That
an
is
easy
very
task
true.
to balance all of those plates spinning.
Deep satire, coming from a place of love, but also coming from a place of like, all right, why do we believe the things that we believe?
Yeah.
We can critique the things that we love and still love them at the same
Right.
time.
And do we believe them, or have we just been indoctrinated? Like, you know, what do we really believe? I think it's the quest to discover, is that true for me, or is
Yeah.
that what I've just been taught since I've been a child?
There are moments in this movie where I thought, man, Sterling could have been a preacher.
Man, I appreciate that. I think we all have our own ministries, like wherever you are, you have a calling. I use mine in front of a camera or whatnot. There's others who use theirs in front of a pulpit. They're not that different, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. You're looking to move people.
He makes everything look easy.
Shake it for the Lord. I said, shake it for the Lord.
Heavy hitters brought this to the big screen: Jordan Peele and Oscar winner Daniel Kaluuya.
I just don't see how that's possible.
All things are possible with God. That's Matthew 19:26.
Yes, it is.
Escape the heat with Honk for Jesus in theaters. I'm Marcus Allen.
So that's good. You can cut.
It's what to watch.